Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a new company in QuickBooks using the latest technical interface. This is a mechanical necessity for any professional looking to establish their studio-level bookkeeping foundation and maintain a high-end edge in their latest market analysis. First, access the high-end global settings. The first step is a mechanical necessity to initialize your professional environment. You need to enter the central technical hub where all your latest studio configurations are stored. Click on the gear icon located in the top right corner of your dashboard. Under the Your Company column, select Account and Settings. In the latest standards, this menu is the professional gateway to your business identity. Navigating here technicality prepares your workspace for a high-end data entry session. Next, initialize the Company Identity module. To ensure your latest market analysis is technicality accurate, you must customize the visual and legal identity of your professional studio. Click on the Company tab in the left-hand sidebar. Tap the Logo area to upload your high-end professional brand mark, then click the pencil icon to technicality enter your company name. A high-end logo and correct name are professional standards. Technicality ensures that every latest invoice you send reflects your studio-level quality. Next, technicality input professional contact logistics. Now you need to bridge the gap between your studio operations and your latest clients by providing high-end contact details. Scroll to the Contact Info section. Enter your professional company email, phone number, and website. You can also technicality define a separate customer-facing email if you want your studio bookkeeping to stay private. Accurate contact info is a mechanical necessity for the latest professional workflows. Technicality ensures your customers can reach your studio easily, keeping your professional relationships high-end. Locate the legal info and industry sections. Enter your EIN or SSN, select your legal structure like LLC, and technicality choose your specific industry from the dropdown. Click Save and then Done to technicality finalize your high-end company profile. And that's pretty much it. To use QuickBooks effectively in the latest era, set up your high-end company profile and technicality connect your bank feeds. Define your chart of accounts for market analysis and master the invoicing workflow to handle your latest bookkeeping. Finally, verify your progress with financial reports to ensure your studio is technicality perfect. This professional workflow ensures your management is optimized and high-end. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.